They ask, not chicken nugget. In the restaurant, chicken nugget, really?
Mommy, I want the French fries and chicken nugget.
No.
These come on a strip and then got a piece of the machine height.
And then,
I'm not sure what that has to do with the metallurgy aspect of things.
yeah. Spoon, I'll just get some off there.
That's mine.
Oh, you gonna use a spoon or a fork?
Both. Is this all my dinner, Daddy?
Yes, honey.
This one. Yeah.
Ah.
You didn't have your nap.
Hmm?
You didn't have your nap.
That's what it was.
Can I see?
What is it?
Sticky rice.
Wait, what?
Yeah,
What is it?
I made a character of you.
Your fingers are like yellow. It could mean that your arteries are like,
You're probably talking about zero off-road capability that you gain
Yeah.
from doing that to a
Oh no, you would lose
Tons of it, yeah.
anything that you had.
turning radius, clearance,
Yeah.